In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Discord sounds. If you're getting pinged all day or you simply want a quieter workspace, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to toggle so you can control the noise without missing what matters. Start by opening Discord on your computer. Look toward the bottom left corner of the app where you'll see your avatar and username. Right next to that is a small gear icon labeled User Settings. Click that to open your personal settings panel. In the left-hand sidebar, find the Notifications section and select it. This page controls how Discord alerts you, both visually and audibly, so it's the right place to quiet things down without leaving servers or changing your status. Now scroll down until you see the Sounds section. This is where all the audio cues live. If you want the fastest way to silence Discord, turn on the option called Disable All Notification Sounds. As soon as you enable this, Discord will stop playing almost all of its sound effects, including message pings, call rings, and join or leave chimes. The change applies immediately, and you don't need to save anything. If you'd prefer a more tailored setup, you can leave that master switch off and instead toggle specific sound types individually. This lets you keep the alerts you care about and mute the ones you don't. For example, you might silence message sounds while keeping call sounds on, or turn off join and leave sounds, but still hear a direct message. Go down the list and turn off any sound you don't want to hear. While you're here, take a moment to consider whether you also want to stop visual pop-ups. Higher up on this notifications page, there's a setting called Enable Desktop Notifications. Turning this off will prevent desktop alerts entirely. Use this if you want no alerts at all, not just no sounds. Keep in mind that with desktop notifications off, you won't see banners or hear dings, but your messages will still arrive and wait for you in the app. When you're done, you can simply close the settings panel. Your choices are saved automatically, and you can come back at any time to adjust them. Whether you muted everything or fine-tuned specific sounds, you now have a quieter Discord experience that matches how you like to work and play.